friends, this is Ishant. You are watching YouTube channel Keeps Learning, Happy Learning. Friends, in our today's video, we are going to talk about some more faculty development programs. So please be stay tuned, keeps on watching, keeps on learning. Our first faculty development program is on emerging tools in biotechnological advancement, challenges and prospects in tackling, which is going to held from 13th July to 17th July and which is going to organized by Department of Biotechnology in association with Teaching Learning Center, NIT Warangal. And this faculty development program is a paid one. So the registration fees for the faculty is 750. And for research scholar, the registration fees is 400 rupees. So our next faculty development program is on online teaching, learning and research methodology, which is going to held from 18th July to 29th July from 2 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. And it is going to organized by Government PG College, Rampur, Uttar Pradesh. So our next faculty development program, that is actually MHRD sponsored faculty development program. So the topic is impact of literature on youth in current situation, and which is going to held from 24 July to 30 July and which is going to organized by Savitribai Phule, Pune University. So our next faculty development program is on the eternal torch bearers in the ever changing world, which is going to held on 10th July from 10:30 am onwards and which is going to organized by Sesh Tripuram Academy of Business Studies in association with DISA Bharat. And this faculty development program is again the paid one. So for this you have to pay 50 rupees. So our next faculty development program, that is one day international faculty development program. The topic is how to write a research proposal for funding, which is going to held on 12th July and the last date of registration is 10th July and which is going to organized by Manu Manian, Sundarnad University, Tamil Nadu. So our next faculty development program, that is a 7 days faculty development program. The topic is research and which is going to held from 12th July to 18th July and which is going to organized by Indian Teacher Education Community in collaboration with Sundarlal Sivhare Degree College, Hamirpur, Uttar Pradesh. And this faculty development program is again the paid one. So for faculty 300 rupees and for PG and UG student the registration fees is 100 rupees. So our next faculty development program, that is on modern development in concrete and construction areas, which is going to held from 14 July to 18 July from 12 noon to 1 p.m. and which is going to organized by Department of Civil Engineering, Powai Engineering College, Namakkal. So our next faculty development program is on post-pandemic scenario building using artificial intelligence, machine learning and optimization techniques, and which is going to held from 10th July to 14th July and which is going to organized by Department of Computer Science and Engineering and Information Technology, KDK College of Engineering, Nagpur. So our next faculty development program is on trends in data science, which is going to held from 13th July to 17th July and which is going to organized by Department of Computer Science and Engineering and Information Technology as well Master of Computer Application, Ramaya Institute of Technology. So our next program, that is faculty development program, is on advances in sustainable construction engineering, which is going to held from 13 July to 18 July from 10 am to 12 noon every day. And the last date of registration is 11th July and which is going to organized by Department of Civil Engineering, Kaktiya Institute of Technology and Science, Warangal. So our next faculty development program is on artificial intelligence application through machine learning, which is going to held from 14th July to 18th July and the last date of registration is 12th July and which is going to organized by Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Balaji Institute of Technology and Science, Warangal. So our next faculty development program, there is a 5 days faculty development program. The topic is latex and its application for researchers, which is going to held from 20 July to 24th July from 11 am to 12:30 pm. which is going to organized by Department of Information Science and Engineering, Vidyavardhaka College of Engineering. So our next faculty development program, there is a 1 week faculty development program. The topic is online mode of teaching and learning, design, development and delivering of e-content, which is going to help from 20 July to 25th July, and which is going to organized by Institute for Development and Communication, Chandigarh. So our next faculty development program, that is 3 days. The topic is recent trends in VLSI design and its research issues in industry compliance, and which is going to held from 16 July to 18th July. Session timing will be 12 noon to 2 p.m. and which is going to organized by Department of ECE, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Ramapuram campus. So our next faculty development program, that is actually management development program, and the topic is data analysis using advanced Excel, which is going to held on 18th July from 2 p.m. onwards, and the last date of registration is 17th July, and which is going to organized by Sri Sri University. And one more thing, this faculty development program, actually management development program, this is the paid one. Okay, so you have to pay 590 rupees for this management development program. So our next faculty development program, there is the last one. So the topic is mass spectrometry and thermal analysis techniques, which is going to held from 13th July to 18th July, and which is going to organized by Satyabhama Institute of Science and Technology in association with Ministry of Earth Science Technology. So friends, this is what all about faculty development programs. So friends, still if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and share with your friends, as well press the bell button. So whenever we will upload our next video, you will get the notification. Thank you.